5 best vegetables to unclog arteries and prevent heart attack. Just one plate of vegetables could save your heart. With just one plate of the right vegetables each day, you could quietly cleanse your arteries, lower cholesterol, stabilize blood pressure, and prevent heart attacks and strokes, all in a completely natural and safe way without relying on medication. It might sound too simple to be true, but it is. I have personally witnessed many older adults significantly improve their cardiovascular health simply by adjusting their daily vegetable intake. They feel lighter, stronger, more energized, and no longer dread blood pressure checks or routine doctor visits. What's unfortunate is that many people still believe, "I already eat vegetables, that should be enough," but they don't realize that choosing the wrong types or preparing them improperly can actually worsen arterial blockages. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 extremely simple and accessible vegetables that act as silent weapons to cleanse your arteries, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart, all backed by scientific research. You can easily find them at your local supermarket without spending extra money or dealing with complicated preparations. And the number 1 vegetable on this list might surprise you because it's often seen as just a garnish, yet it contains twice as much vitamin C as an orange, which helps strengthen blood vessel elasticity and dramatically lowers the risk of stroke. Leafy greens, the natural medicine to keep arteries clear. If you're over 60 and looking for a simple, low-cost, but highly effective way to maintain healthy blood pressure, keep arteries unclogged, and reduce your risk of heart attacks, then leafy green vegetables should be your first choice. Greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens are more than just food. They're nature's medicine for the heart. The secret lies in a powerful compound that many people overlook: natural nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide inside the body, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, and most importantly, lowers blood pressure safely. For seniors, high blood pressure is the #1 risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. When blood vessels are under constant pressure, their walls become damaged, gradually harden, and create the perfect conditions for cholesterol plaques to form, much like sediment building up inside old water pipes. But the natural nitrates in leafy greens help soften these blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. In addition to nitrates, leafy greens are rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect the inner lining of the arteries, the endothelium, reduce inflammation, and slow down the development of atherosclerosis. The soluble fiber in greens also plays a vital role in lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol, a primary cause of arterial blockages. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition revealed that people who consumed at least 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily had nearly a 20% lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease compared to those who ate little to none. That's a significant number, especially for individuals with a history of high blood pressure or elevated cholesterol. I still vividly remember a patient, Mrs. Helen, 68 years old from Texas. Her blood pressure used to hover around 145/90, and she was worried she'd have to increase her medication dose. After adjusting her diet, adding steamed spinach to her dinner, cutting back on salt, and staying well hydrated, her blood pressure stabilized at 125/80 in just 6 weeks without any increase in medication. Unfortunately, many older adults hesitate to eat leafy greens, thinking they are hard to digest, cause bloating, or taste bland. But you don't need a heaping plate every day. Even a small bowl of lightly steamed greens, A quick sauté with olive oil or a simple salad at lunch or dinner can help your arteries breathe easier. If you've experienced better digestion, improved energy, or more stable blood pressure after consistently eating leafy greens, consider sharing your story. You never know. Your experience might inspire someone else who's still stuck between prescription drugs and the daily anxiety of heart disease. Broccoli, the anti-inflammatory warrior for your heart. If you're looking for a vegetable that's easy to enjoy and offers powerful anti-inflammatory effects on your blood vessels, broccoli is the one you shouldn't overlook. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. Hidden within each floret is a rare and potent compound that scientists have identified: sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant capable of neutralizing free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and most importantly, slowing down the damage to arterial walls. This isn't just marketing hype. When your blood vessels are injured, even on a microscopic level, your body responds by triggering inflammation. And when chronic inflammation combines with high blood pressure, a diet high in unhealthy fats, or ongoing stress, the endothelial lining of your arteries weakens day by day. This becomes the gateway for cholesterol plaques to form, narrowing the arteries, raising blood pressure, and drastically increasing the risk of stroke or heart attack. Sulforaphane in broccoli acts like a biological cleanser. It helps break down harmful plaque, combat inflammation, and, most importantly, enhance your arteries' natural ability to repair themselves. Broccoli, a powerhouse of heart-loving nutrients. Broccoli is also an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, essential nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, improve circulation, and prevent abnormal blood clotting, one of the most dangerous triggers for stroke. A study conducted by Harvard University found that eating broccoli just 3 to 4 times a week can significantly lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, especially in individuals over the age of 60. I'll never forget the case of Mr. Richard, a 70-year-old man from Florida. He had previously suffered a mini-stroke, had high cholesterol and unstable blood pressure. After modifying his diet, particularly by adding lightly steamed broccoli to his daily lunch, within just 2 months, his inflammation markers dropped noticeably, his blood pressure stabilized, and his morning energy levels greatly improved. And the best part is, you don't need elaborate recipes. Light steaming, quick stir-frying, or tossing broccoli into a salad with a splash of olive oil is all it takes to retain its powerful healing compounds. Maybe in the past you saw broccoli as just a side dish, something you ate because the doctor said so, or simply to check off a box. But now you know it's one of the most silent yet powerful defenders of your arteries and heart. Try eating broccoli regularly for a few consecutive days and notice how your body responds. If you experience even subtle improvements, share your story with loved ones, because one small change today could be a lifesaver for someone quietly battling stroke risk. Tomatoes, the red shield that protects your arteries from bad cholesterol. Among the many vegetables and fruits we eat every day, there is one that frequently appears on the table, yet few realize it's one of the most effective red shields against arterial blockage: the tomato. Whether eaten raw or cooked, tomatoes provide plenty of health benefits. But if your goal is to reduce cholesterol and protect your heart, cooked tomatoes are truly your secret weapon. The reason lies in a potent antioxidant called lycopene, the compound responsible for giving tomatoes their vibrant red color. Scientific research has confirmed that lycopene can help prevent the oxidation of LDL, the bad cholesterol, responsible for forming plaque in the arteries. When LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, it turns sticky, adheres more easily to the arterial walls, and triggers an inflammatory response.
This is the first step in atherosclerosis, the narrowing and hardening of arteries, which then raises blood pressure and dramatically increases the risk of stroke or heart attack. Lycopene acts like an armor around LDL, shielding it from damage by free radicals. That's why it's considered a natural defense for your blood vessels, a kind of invisible protector keeping your arteries clear and your heart safe.
Interestingly, lycopene is best absorbed when tomatoes are cooked with a little oil. Lycopene is absorbed far more effectively by the body when tomatoes are cooked or prepared with a bit of healthy fat. That means dishes like tomato sauce, stewed tomatoes, spaghetti sauce, or lightly simmered tomato juice are excellent ways to maximize the cardiovascular benefits of this remarkable fruit. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, soluble fiber, which lowers excess cholesterol, and polyphenols with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals with high lycopene levels in their blood had a 17% lower risk of heart disease. I remember one patient in particular, a 64-year-old woman who was hesitant to take statins due to potential side effects. We helped her adjust her meals by incorporating cooked tomatoes into her daily diet, along with leafy greens and avocado. After nearly 2 months, her LDL cholesterol decreased slightly, but more importantly, her oxidized LDL levels dropped significantly, indicating that her arteries were being better protected. Tomatoes are affordable, easy to find, simple to prepare, and suitable for nearly everyone. You can enjoy them daily without getting tired of the taste. Just be consistent and choose the right cooking method to get the most out of their lycopene content. If you have a favorite tomato-based dish that's both delicious and easy to make, please share it in the comments. Your recipe might not only brighten someone's mealtime, but could also help them stay healthy and spend more years with their loved ones.
Bell peppers, small but mighty, with twice the vitamin C of oranges. Many people see bell peppers as merely a decorative vegetable, something to add color to a salad or garnish a dish. But if you're middle-aged or older, you should start looking at bell peppers differently, especially red and yellow varieties, which contain twice as much vitamin C as oranges, a fact that surprises many. Vitamin C isn't just for immune support. It plays a critical role in protecting the endothelium, the inner lining of your arteries, the very place where all vascular damage begins. When this endothelial layer is attacked by free radicals, it becomes weakened and inflamed, making it easier for cholesterol to stick and form plaques. This silent process is the underlying cause of millions of heart attacks and strokes every year around the world. Vitamin C works like a bodyguard for your arteries, neutralizing free radicals, reducing inflammation, and maintaining vessel elasticity. This allows for smoother blood flow, more stable blood pressure, and reduced risk of blockage. Bell peppers also offer quercetin, beta-carotene, fiber, and potassium, a golden combination for cardiovascular health. Best of all, bell peppers are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, sautéed, or tossed into a salad. They're easy to prepare and suit a wide range of tastes, making it simple to include them in your daily meals. Protect your heart. Start with a plate of vegetables every day. We've just explored 5 incredibly simple yet remarkably powerful vegetables: leafy greens, broccoli, avocado, tomatoes, and bell peppers. These aren't rare or expensive foods. On the contrary, you can easily find them at any grocery store or local market. What truly matters is that you now know which ones to choose, why they matter, and how they impact your cardiovascular health, something many people have never considered. These vegetables aren't just food, they are natural medicine. They help cleanse your arteries, reduce inflammation, stabilize blood pressure, and regulate cholesterol, all of which are critical for preventing heart attacks and strokes. Especially for those over 60, making intentional dietary changes is the simplest, safest, and most sustainable way to protect the heart without relying entirely on medication. I want you to remember this: heart health cannot be delayed. We can't wait for a heart attack to happen before we decide to change. Your heart needs daily care through small, consistent, and wise choices. A bowl of leafy greens, a few slices of avocado, a warm tomato soup, or half a bell pepper each day can serve as your natural vaccine, guarding you against sudden chest pain and late-night emergency visits to the hospital. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so this video can reach more people. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with vital content on heart health, especially designed for older adults. And if you have a loved one struggling with high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol, or simply wants to live healthier each day, share this video with them. Who knows, one small action you take today could change someone's health and their life. Wishing you and your family vibrant health, a strong heart, a peaceful mind, and energy that lasts every single day.